Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to talk about launch a Linux virtual machine with Amazon Lightsail. Amazon Lightsail is a cloud computing service that offers virtual server, storage, database, and networking. To launch a Linux virtual machine with Amazon Lightsail, follow these steps. Go to Amazon Lightsail console and sign into your AWS account. Click the Create New Instance button. In the Choose an Instant Blueprint section, select the Linux Unix. In the Choose an Amazon Linux Image section, select the Amazon Linux images that you want to use. In the Instance Details sections, enter a name for your instance and select the instance size that you need. In the Networking section, select the networking configuration that you want to use. In the Security and Access section, select the SSH key pair that you want to use to connect to your instance. Click the Create Instance button. Amazon Lightsail will create your instance and start it up. Once the instance is running, you can connect to it using SSH. Tips for launching a Linux VM with Amazon Lightsail. Here are some tips for launching a Linux VM with Amazon Lightsail. Choose the right instance size for your needs. Amazon Lightsail offers a variety of instance size. You can choose the size that is right for your workload. Use a security group to protect your instance. A security group is a firewall that controls incoming and outgoing traffic to your instance. You can use a security group to restrict access to your instance to a specific IP addresses or ports. Enable SSH access to your instance. SSH access allows you to connect to your instance using SSH and manage it from your computer. Use a strong SSH key pair. An SSH key pair is a pair of cryptographic keys that are used to authenticate SSH connection, and you should use a strong SSH key to protect your instance from unauthorized access. In conclusion, launching a Linux VM with Amazon Lightsail is a quick and easy way to get started with cloud computing. Amazon Lightsail offers a variety of features and services that make it a good option for developers and small businesses. So that's all everyone. I hope this video has been helpful for you to understand the topic. If you have any questions or any problem about the topic, please leave a comment below. And thank you for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. So thank you again everyone. Bye bye.